Rwanda continues to view nuclear security with utmost importance and appreciate the continued support by the International Atomic Energy Agency. This is aimed at strengthening the effective nuclear security regime in Rwanda, especially during major public events. Rwanda committed and still commits to be the regional hub for hosting international conferences and meetings, and we have actually recorded a success in this. This therefore calls for more stringent nuclear security mechanism in major public events to reinforce the already existing security mechanisms so we can continue to better serve our populations. In this line, we will continue to work with the International Atomic Energy Agency to build and strengthen the capabilities of our organs to be able to prevent, detect, and respond to radiological and nuclear threats. We will keep enhancing this cooperation to ensure that nuclear smugglers and their networks are uncovered, apprehended, and even be held accountable.
The IAEA is proud to support states such as Rwanda in your efforts to establish and maintain effective and sustainable nuclear security systems and measures, including those focused on major public events. It's important to note that the complexity, scope and potential impact of a criminal or terrorist act involving nuclear or other radioactive materials requires a rapid and decisive capability to understand and respond to the situation. This fact demands an extraordinary level of coordination and management of functions and expertise in a multi-agency environment. This workshop on responding to criminal or intentional unauthorized acts involving nuclear and other radioactive material at main venues and other strategic locations of major public events is intended to assist participating national authorities to recognise both the complex arrangements and comprehensive coordination mechanism which are necessary to ensure a safe, secure, effective and efficient response to such criminal or intentional unauthorised acts.